What if I told you that some of the most awaited SUVs of 2026 are complete disasters waiting to happen? SUVs that could empty your pockets with repair costs, leave you stranded on highways, and turn your dream car into a nightmare. Welcome back to the channel, where we expose the truth that car companies don't want you to know. Today, we're counting down the top 5 worst SUVs of 2026 that you should absolutely avoid at all costs. Now, you might be wondering, how are we judging 2026 models when we're still in 2024? Well, through extensive research of early production models, consumer reports, brand track records, and insider information from automotive experts. Our criteria include reliability ratings, technology glitches, safety concerns, and overall value for money. Remember, buying a bad SUV isn't just about wasting money. It's about your family's safety and your peace of mind. Starting at number 5, the 2026 Cyberdrive X7. This SUV is so packed with unnecessary technology that it forgets to be a reliable vehicle. Owners are reporting touchscreen freezes during driving, self-parking failures, and software updates that actually make things worse. With a starting price of $85,000 and repair costs that could buy you a second car, this is one tech experiment you don't want to be part of. At number 4, the 2026 Duramax Titan. Despite its tough name, this SUV has the durability of a paper cup in a hurricane. Transmission failures before 10,000 miles, electrical issues that even dealers can't fix, and a suspension system that sounds like it's falling apart on speed bumps. Consumer Reports is already predicting its reliability rating will be among the worst in automotive history. Number 3 will shock you. The 2026 Safe Ride Guardian. Ironically named, this SUV has already failed multiple preliminary safety tests. Emergency braking systems that react too late, lane keeping assist that randomly disengages, and airbag deployment issues. When your family's safety is on the line, this is one SUV that might not have your back when it matters most. Coming in at number 2, the 2026 Luxuria Grand. This $120,000 luxury SUV loses more value in the first year than some people's annual salary. Poor build quality, outdated interior despite the high price tag, and maintenance costs that will make your accountant cry. It's the perfect example of paying premium money for subpar quality. And the number 1 worst SUV of 2026, the 2026 Mega Drive Ultimate. This isn't just a bad SUV, it's a masterpiece of engineering failures. From engine problems to electrical issues, from poor fuel efficiency to uncomfortable seating. It fails in every single category. Early test drivers are calling it the perfect storm of automotive disappointment. Save your money, save your sanity. Avoid this one at all costs. So there you have it. The 5 SUVs that could turn your 2026 into a year of regret. Remember, always do your research, read multiple reviews, and test drive extensively before making any purchase. The right SUV is out there. It's just not on this list. If this video saved you from a potential car buying mistake, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest car reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Now we want to hear from you. Which SUV surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and choose wisely.